Welcome to this breathing meditation for beginners. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your feet firmly grounded. Gently close your eyes and relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs. Then, slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all the tension from your body. Become aware of your body and the position you are in. Notice the points of contact with the floor or the chair. Feel the weight of your body relax and settle. Imagine that each inhale brings you calm and serenity, and each exhale releases stress and tension. Repeat this breathing cycle several times. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Visualize the air you inhale is filled with light and tranquility, and the air you exhale carries away all your worries. Focus all your attention on your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the sensation of cool air entering through your nostrils and warm air exiting through your mouth. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Do not judge yourself. This is perfectly normal. Simply return to your breath. Imagine your mind is like a drifting balloon, and your breath is the string gently bringing it back. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply. With each inhale, feel peace and light entering you. With each exhale, let go of all tension, all worries. Imagine you are expelling dark clouds with each exhale, making way for a clear and bright sky. Now, imagine a peaceful place, a location that soothes and calms you. It could be a beach, a forest, or even your favorite spot at home. Visualize this place in great detail. Feel the sensations of this place on your skin, the warmth of the sun, the coolness of the shade. Listen to the sounds surrounding you in this place. Perhaps the whisper of waves, the song of birds, or the rustling of leaves in the wind. Smell the scents floating in the air, maybe the salty aroma of the sea, the smell of damp earth, or flowers in full bloom. Let this feeling of peace and tranquility completely envelop you. With each breath, dive deeper into this sensation of calm and well-being. Imagine that each inhale anchors you further into this state of serenity, and each exhale releases accumulated tensions. Take a few more moments to soak in this inner peace. Breathe slowly, deeply. Savor this moment of tranquility and rest. Allow yourself to stay in this state for as long as you wish. When you feel ready, gently begin to return to the present moment. Become aware of your body sitting here and now. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Stretch if you need to, as if waking up from a deep and restful sleep. Gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate this feeling of calm and serenity within you. Feel how your body and mind are lighter, more relaxed. Remember that you can return to this meditation whenever you need it. This moment of calm and peace is always accessible at any time through simple breathing. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Take care and carry this feeling of tranquility with you throughout your day. Namaste.